Good morning everyone. I, Nihar Jetwani of class 10th.
And I, Hirday Ramchandani of class 10th, are students of the Palace School, Jaipur.
Our project, titled as Awaaz App, has been created using MIT App Inventor. It is a software which helps us in creating and designing an app, and we can also connect it with various Google tools.
Awaaz App is a mobile application designed to turn any smartphone into a noise monitoring device. It includes sound level recording, GPS integration, cloud-based storage, and user-friendly interface.
Our app empowers individuals. It is a place where a person can record and record sound levels and save it with precise location data, and this is all in under 5 MB.
It aligns with Sustainable Development Goal SDG 3, which is good health and well-being, by providing a practical solution to mitigate the adverse effects of noise on physical and mental health. Thank you.
Now I will show you the interface of my app. As you can see, here we have the decibels of the environment. Now here it shows what type of voice it is and whether it is risky or not. And here is the precise location data, date, time, and here is our tagline: "Listen the world." Now this is all the data which it stores, and this is also saved in Google spreadsheet. Thank you.